Here we will see traits in PHP. Trait is a mechanism for code reuse in a single inheritance languages such as PHP. Trait is similar to a class but only intended to group functionality in a fine-grained and consistent way. Trait is intended to reduce some limitations of single inheritance by enabling a developer to reuse sets of methods freely in several independent classes living in different class hierarchies. It is not possible to instantiate a trait in its own. For this, use keyword to access the traits inside a class. General syntax for defining traits is: traits are declared with the trait keyword. For this, trait method is defined with the trait keyword and then statements are defined that you are going to execute in the trait method. To access the traits inside a class, first define a class and then use and the trait method's name. If more than one trait methods are used, use comma for separation. Now we will write a PHP script for explaining traits in PHP. First we will add file and we will save it as trait.php. First we will add HTML tag, then we will add title tag and we will give the title PHP script for explaining trait. Then we will add body tag and we will add PHP tag. First we will define trait A. Inside the trait we will define a function trait method 1 and inside it we will print the message with echo in first trait method. And we will use br tag. Then we will define second trait B, and inside this we will define trait method 2 and we will print the message in second trait method. Then we will define a class C and inside this class we will use traits. So for this we will use keyword, use A comma B, and then we will define one function class method and inside this we will print in class method. After this we will create object of our class and then we will call the methods from that class. First we will call trait method 1, then we will call trait method 2 and then we will call class method. To execute this we will start Apache server and then we will open the browser and we will call our script trait.php. It will print in first trait method, in second trait method and in class method. Here we have defined two traits A and B and inside class we use A and B.